Hi, everybody. Oh my gosh, this has been so long. It has been months since I have done a video. It has been months since I've been active on YouTube. It has been months since I've been active in the crafting community online. Oh wow, I don't know. 2018 is going to go down in our history books as the best and the worst. We've had one daughter get married already last month. We have another one getting married in 6 weeks, and that wedding is taking place here on our property. So it's yeah, a little hectic. And then everything else that's gone on before that. I think February, maybe beginning of March was the last time I was around. Then I started a contract job, and then I got really sick. But anyway, this video is to show you this journal I've made, the latest journal. I just finished it today. This journal is for my niece. She is moving to Korea for a year at least to teach English. So we are all so proud of her, and this journal is for her to hopefully document as much of her life over there as possible. Anybody that has followed my videos knows that I always do a chunky charm on the spine. It's not that chunky this time because she is flying a long way, so I didn't want it too heavy. So this is just a small one with some things that mean something to her that I know. The spine is 1 inch. There's 2 signatures. I did put some lace down to hide the stitching. There's a bit of bling here. I have used, let's see, I've used in everything, because this isn't the only thing I made her. I did also make her a stationery set using envelopes and cards and papers from Artie Mays and Tsunami Rose. I've also in this journal used Artie Mays, Amy Joy, Deli Girl 1961, and oh my gosh, a bit of Ephemeris Vintage Garden. I'll put everything that I can't remember up on the screen, and I will put the links down below like I always do. I have some metal borders here. I've used an old book, hardcover book that I've gutted. There are eyelets front and back with seam binding as the closure. There's also seam binding and eyelash trim and different fibers that I've used on the tags. I love the way they come out here. Okay, let's go in. There are only 2 signatures, but it's still really chunky. You can see how much it's opening up. So the front and back pages, I've put music paper. Everything's been tea dyed. This one says, "You are so beautiful." The one on the back says, it's the song, "Isn't She Lovely?" And I've made on both the front and the back a little pocket using a bit of burlap trim. And this here says, "Handmade with Love" by Aunt Debbie, August 2018. This journal has a lot of inspirational quotes that I've put in here for Nicole. She's a very intelligent, very well-educated, very well-read young lady, and she loves history, she loves art history, she loves English history, and she's traveled so many places. It's just amazing. So she's, oh my gosh, there's a little piece of bling there. There's lots of spots for journaling. And like I said, lots of inspirational quotes. Lots of tuck spots. I didn't go too crazy like I have in the past with journals that I've made as far as embellishing. I didn't do any sewing in this one because I wanted her to have more room for actually journaling. I'm pretty sure she's going to like it. I made a journal for my daughter for her birthday a couple years ago, and she did love it. This is a tuck spot here. Yeah, Nicole loved it. So I'm hoping that she likes this one just as well. This is some onion skin paper. This is a map of Asia and Europe. And this is where she's going to be, right down in here. The other side of the world. Wow. And this here has all the names, addresses, and phone numbers of everybody in the family. And I'm going to be including address labels that are printed already that will go along with the stationery set I made for her. So she's got postcards, she's got envelopes with a letter, possible places for her to write letters. And then now she will have also the addresses. I've included some blank sheets as well, so she can write more if she runs out. Lots of tuck spots, lots of places for journaling, like I said. These bags here, the little glassine bags, and the the advertisement bags there from J9 Scraps. We may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. Maya Angelou. Love that one. And this is the center of the signature. I made an envelope. These are Tsunami Rose. Made an envelope so that it could hide the stitching. Just a sheet that I folded up. Another tuck spot. And that's the middle of the book. That's the end of the first signature, and this is the second signature. She's been to Paris. She was in Paris for a month in part of her studies for university. And yeah, she loved Paris. This is also a tuck spot in here. And there's some journaling spots inside that one. I had so much fun making this. I decided on Thursday that I wanted to make her. I don't know why it took me so long to figure out that I was going to make a journal for Nicole. But Thursday I was like, holy cow, I should have done this ages ago. And I finished it today. Started Thursday, finished it today. I guess that when you have a vision, it just all comes together really well. Love this one. Ladies do not spew profanities. We take our time and enunciate them clearly. Yeah. And that's the center of the second signature. Yeah. Lots of tuck spots, but not so much embellishing. More onion skin paper. If I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way. Tip in. And then here's the last page. So I'm hoping she likes it. I think she will. My one daughter, she hasn't even seen it. I just told her what I was doing. And she said, "You're going to make her cry." And I'm like, yeah, I can see that. I can see she might cry. I've got some Nuvo dots here on the flowers, on her ring, glossy accents on her eyes, and some stickles in her headband. And she reminds me of this picture of my mom, about the same age with the same colored dress. She just looks so much, Mom's hair's darker and curlier, but yeah. So I just love this picture because it's Nicole's grandma, in my opinion. So tomorrow Nicole will get this. We're having a going away party. She leaves in a week. Oh my gosh, everybody's going to be crying. But at the same time, tomorrow is also my dad's birthday, his 85th birthday, so we're celebrating that as well.